What a pimp.
It's your helmet. Tucker. Just, no, Tucker. Let him up. Just see where he goes.
Oh, yeah,
oh, there's your money shot. Pee on it. Oh my god, pee on it. No! That would be so funny.
It's normally 5, but it was like 20% off.
Is that so you don't mark up your shoe? No, I forgot you were bald. Handlebars slide down.
Yeah, I feel like I his yeah.
How do you work this thing, Colton? You just go like this?
Yeah, kick down. Like kick down.
Okay, hold up.
Yeah,
see? Jesus. That was sad.
And then first is down. Oh, you know it.
Whew. God damn it, Colton.
I mean, you have gloves on. You want to try and pet him with gloves, not like you can bite through them. Tucker? Hey.
Yeah,
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy, Tucky.
Just give him, rub his ear.
Can I rub your ear? It's okay.
You're being a good boy.
Good boy. It's okay. All right.
I got him.
That's okay.
In first gear, just from a power wheel, but I don't know how to deal with it yet.
It's not gonna go well.
If you crash, it's your fault. I did one.
Yeah, that was really good. I wish I got it on video.
Did you get it on video?
No, I didn't. It was...
Only time.
Dude, every time... Okay. So, I got this new GoPro today. I had to buy this media mod thing, so I was like, okay, I'm going to put my GoPro in my backpack. I'm going to go home and put one on. So, of course, I don't have a GoPro. I'm going in a straight line, going like 60 and a 50. This guy literally pulled right out in front of me. Like, if I didn't swerve over, I probably would have hit him. I'm like, oh, of course I don't have my GoPro. Every time I have my GoPro off or not on, something happens. Ah! Wait, Brian, go around. I want to see it on when you go around. Get your wheel up. I want to see it.
Oh boy.
Damn. Oh my God. Not quite, not quite.
Now I can't get it while you're watching and recording.
Of course. I got, like, okay, I think I know why Ryan says he's like, dude, I got it up so high. Because it feels, but I know damn well I'm like this little off. His sounds good.
You got more than that. It sounds like an R1M.
Oh, 100%. Hold on.
I mean, you don't have an excuse.
Hey! Hey, wait! God damn it. How we counting down?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1, go. You look sexy on that.
Want to get something even cooler?
How big is your dude?
2 inches. Get one.
Guess how fast he was going.
How fast?
Guess.
40. I don't know how.
On the dot.
40. That's as fast as it'll go.
He got it up there. Colton. Guess how fast he went.
I'm gonna say 45.
40.
That was the fastest I got it there. Do you see?
That's the top speed.
I like hit the top speed and then like all of a sudden started pulling.
Yeah.
Tuck enough. I hit VTEC.
Yeah. We had asked. I asked. I was like, "Have they gone up there yet?"
Let's put the tailgate down.
Dude, he's getting a lean angle down.
And then we were trying.
Oh my gosh, he's loving that.
Shut it off. You guys see my Pokemon? Please.
Oh my god.
Please, little guy, look at him. That's fucking funny. He's neutral? Yeah. Ow!
Hot. You want to lead?
I don't know where I feel like going, so you can lead.
I got a good place, I think. Yeah. It's over there.